What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to yet another video. I'm Sam from Top Trader Team, guys, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing the next potential short squeeze play that could potentially run like Trka did previously. So we're going to be talking about it. Why do I think that this is a stock that is setting up for a massive run up from here on out? We're going to be talking about the short interest, media coverage, and we're also going to be discussing upcoming catalyst for the stock. So with that being said, all I ask for a return is for you guys to hit the thumbs up button. And now let's just jump right into the details. Okay, I'm going to pull up my charts right now. But while I do so, I want you guys to also comment down below. What other stocks would you like to see me covering? And also, if you're new here, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button because this is the #1 channel when it comes to trading highly volatile momentum stocks. Whether it's swing trading or day trading, guys, I drop at least 3 videos every single day for you guys. So if you're someone who's interested in learning more about stock markets and specific tickers, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button. Now, let's do a little bit of magic trick. You guys ready? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, and abracadabra. Magic, baby, magic. Okay, so what is this ticker? This is going to be Pxmd. This is basically another clinical phase trial company, guys. However, what makes this company absolutely enticing for us, guys, is going to be its super small float of about 26 million, meaning that once it gets going, and there's no holding it back, and it only has about 1.82 million of float. So this is a stock, guys, that, just like I said earlier, once it gets going, there's no holding it back. Now, this is a double-edged sword, meaning both to the upside and to the downside. If this stock gets going, there's no holding it back. Now, this is a stock which bottomed at a price of $1.36 and is sitting at about $2.23 right now. So it is relatively high from the levels of its 52-week lows, although it did previously actually test this, $4 levels, but it wasn't actually able to actually break above and hold, right? So what we have over here is we have a setup right now on a swing trade that is above the 50, is it above? Yeah, it's not really above the 50 MA, but it looks like it's previously attempted to break the 50 MA, which I use as a directional SMA line, right? So, with that being said, this is a stock that is going to go absolutely parabolic in the upcoming days, considering that it just had a massive media coverage. Now, what was this media coverage? This was my boy Zip, okay? My boy Zip, Charlie from Zip Trader, guys, covered this stock, and he basically said that this is a stock that has massive potential. If you guys haven't seen his video, go watch his video. But Charlie, guys, he has over 600,000 subscribers. And you know what's funny about Charlie's videos? Because he's always talking about, if we get media coverage about this stock is going to go blow up. And there's no media coverage when it comes to penny stocks like Charlie's channel, basically. Right? I mean, it's basically him and Warrior Trading and a bunch of other guys, but it's mostly Charlie that is actually talking about these penny stocks and these short squeeze plays, right? And maybe, I don't know, freaking, what's his name? The guy that always talks about AMC. I forgot his name. Comment down below his name if you know who I'm talking about, right? There's a bunch of people that talk about AMC, but he's kind of the main guy. I forgot his name, right? So Charlie dropped a video on this stock explaining exactly about why he thinks this stock is going to go absolutely parabolic. And let me tell you something. Charlie has a lot of followers, okay? I've been in that Discord. That Discord is popping, okay? There's a lot of people in that Discord that care about what Charlie says. So with that being said, a lot of people, there's going to be a lot of eyes on Pxmd. Now, does this mean that this stock is going to just take off because Charlie said so? No. But what it means is that it now has a lot of potential because it has a lot of viewers on it ready to jump in once they see that volume candles popping up. Now, when we look at the RSI, guys, the RSI is actually peaking above 50. A lot of times all that people think of is the RSI is, okay, if it's above 70, it means it's overbought. If it's below 30, it means it's oversold. But they don't think about what this 50 line actually signifies, right? This 50 line for me, guys, is a momentum dash. Yeah, it's a momentum indicator, right? As to which way is the momentum heading. If it's below 50, to me, that means that the momentum is heading downwards. If it's above 50, that means the momentum is hitting upwards, okay? And right now, it's actually just peaking above 50. It's sitting at about 50.7-ish, right? 50.30-ish, which is still above 50, so we'll give it that, right? Relatively flat. Let's just say it's relatively flat. Now, when we go to the 5-minute chart, let's take a peek at the 5-minute chart. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, we have these barcoding candles over here, but it is what it is, right? These are actually aftermarket candles, I believe. Let's go to the 10-minute chart. Let's see what the 10-minute chart gives us over here. Okay, so the 10-minute chart, we do have some levels of support and resistance over here, clearly. Now, the next level of support that we have for the stock would be over here-ish, right? What level is this? Is at $2.11, right? Which is the bottom set of these candles over here, right? And it is also the bottom set of these candles over here as well, right? Now, guys, if you guys don't know, previous support becomes resistance and previous resistance becomes support. So $2.11 is also somewhat the tip of these candles over here, right? So if it previously used this as a resistance and it hit it and it rejected 211 to 220-ish, and it dropped down to 140, that means that this is an extremely strong level, right? And even over here, guys, look, the stock fell from a price of about, what was it, $2.80, right? All the way down to, $2.80, all the way down to about $2.11-ish, like I said, $2.10-ish, right? Let's say the support is $2 to $2.20, right? I know that is a 10% gap, and a lot of people don't necessarily understand how support and resistance works. Guys, listen, here's what you need to understand. Support and resistance doesn't work the way you've been taught, by the freaking old heads, okay? The way they work is that it's more like a window rather than a linear line, right? So the break of support doesn't mean that support is broken. The break of confirmation of break of support means the support is broken. So if your support is at $2, your actual support is $2 to $1.95. If it falls below $1.95, then we can confirm that the $2 support is actually broken. Other than that, it could simply be a false breakout to the downside, right? And then you just get faked out, your stop loss hits, and the stock takes off. I bet that's happened to you many times, right? So with that being said, I would say that the support for the stock is somewhere between $2 to $2 and, 10 cents-ish, 15 cents-ish. Now, from a resistance standpoint, we do have some resistance over here, guys, at the levels that it's previously rejected at $2.36. And of course, we have above here at $2.80. Now, I could easily see the stock heading into the next week and testing the $3 levels, right? Considering that when we go to the short interest, we see that the short interest in the past 7 days, guys, is up over 80%. Over 80%. And its cost to borrow is sitting at 488%. What's cost to borrow? This is the amount that shorts pay, guys, in order to be able to hold this stock short. When you short a stock, what happens is that you borrow a stock from a broker, you sell it at a given price, you pray to God that the stock becomes cheaper so you can buy it back and return it to the broker, right? And the difference between the price you sold it at and you bought it back to return it is where you make your money. However, nothing's free, right? Nothing good, at least in life, is free, okay? So what we get is that basically the brokers end up charging you guys a annual percentage. That percentage is called 488%. Now, 488% is absolutely high, okay? It's absolutely high. It's just insane, right? So that means that the heat is turned up under these shorts and they're paying a lot of interest holding these stocks actually short and borrowing these stocks short. So with that being said, if the stock price is going up and they're like, dude, oh my God, I've been holding this stock for so long. I'm paying so much interest. The stock doesn't look like it's going to come down. I'm just going to cover. Right? So what's going to be key right now is going to be what levels does, Pxmd actually hold. Did I say the ticker right? Pxmd, yes, I did. Pxmd actually holds. Now, if you guys want to know what we're doing in our community, guys, our Discord link is in the comment description. The Discord right now is on 50% sale. 50% sale. We're holding a flash sale, guys. It comes with all my Discord alerts. It also gives you access to all my Discord alerts. It gives you access to all my trade alerts. It also gives you one-on-one access to me where I help you guys get out of sticky situations. What do I mean by that? That means you tell me your entry to a stock and I tell you how would I exit the stock as a professional, right? Minimizing loss or maximizing gains, right? What levels do I see it popping to? What levels do I not see it popping to? That's why the community has limited spots. We already have over 150 returning members, guys, every single month, right? But however, I added 10 spots a couple of days ago. Right now, there's I think about 7 spots left, or right now 6. I think 6 spots left right now. So with that being said, head down below, guys, and check it out. I'm telling you, this is the #1 trading community. Do you know why? Let me tell you how much I believe that this is the #1 trading community. I put my money where my mouth is. It's first month money back guarantee. It's literally in the fine print. First month money back guarantee, 100% satisfaction guarantee, no reasons required. Meaning you join, you don't like the community, you leave, you ask for money, bam, you get your money back. It's that simple, okay? But still, we are able to retain over 150 returning members every single month, and majority of them, guys, are actually paying full price. They were already here before the sale. So with that being said, check us out, guys. Now, why are people sticking around over here, guys? We have, let me show you guys what the community looks like. Maybe later. So as you guys can see, this is where people post their wins based off of my trailers. It's called the market win section, right? Over here, you guys can see Matt made a killing today on his trades, right? Up 50%, right? Over here, my boy, Close Wally, thanks for a lot for your insights. Sam, Root to Billions, and others. Great group to be in. Shout out SB. I'm going to react to this one right over here. This was just today, guys, at 7:27 p.m. I didn't even see this, right? Over here, Steven says order filled at 40 high. Today was 38. Nice to start off my third account, right? $270 gains, right? Over here, we have just more gains and gains and gains, Ibrahim says, nice trade, nice AMBI trade alert, Sam, bro, or whatever he says. Like, I'm just rushing through these guys, right? We continue going up, right? We had a TOPS trade a couple of days ago. This was a Zoom trade, guys. We brought in 37%. Sam Newman brought in 35%. Jordan brought in 17%. Check out the Discord, guys. The link is in the comment description. Now, I know what you're thinking, right? You're thinking, oh my God, it's through Patreon, which is a monthly subscription, right? Which is like, you know, when people hear monthly subscription, their brain goes, oh no, another bill added to my long list of bills. But guys, the truth is, this isn't just any bill. This is the bill that pays the bills. When was the last time your Netflix bill brought you $253? When was the last time your, you know, Spotify bill brought you $1,000? Or your freaking, I don't know, Amazon Prime brought you $67? It didn't. Now, not only does the community come with trailers, I don't want you guys to just stick to my trailers, and my job is for you guys to actually graduate from the top trader team. That's why we have over 30 lessons, guys, and I'm updating them on a weekly basis. Anything from specific winning trading strategies to how to pick out, you know, how to read charts and candlesticks and how to pick out the next 10x penny stock, right? How to know if you're chasing, position sizing, trading skills, you know, how to predict dilution, time frames, trend lines, you name it, we cover it in the community. How to step-by-step make your own trading strategy. With that being said, check us out, guys. The link is in the comment description. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. And if you do, it's first month money back guarantee. It's that simple. So, with that being said, where do I see the stock going from here on out? Well, it's going to be hard to say, right? It's going to be hard to say. Now, I am bullish on this stock, and at what levels would I be buying? I would wait for things to cool down a little bit, because I already know that tomorrow we're probably going to test this, you know, potentially, you know, $2.36 levels again, right? Stock right now is sitting at $2.17. I don't know, what did I say earlier? Did I say $2.27 or whatever I said? That was maybe because I was looking at the daily chart. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited for where the stock is going. It has a massive amount of short interest. It has, and look, speaking on the short interest, going back to the short interest, it's important for you guys to understand that. Look, man, listen. Here's something that, you know, I'm about to give you guys $1 million worth of game. Okay, look, this 56% is inaccurate. Okay, because it doesn't account for naked shorts, it doesn't account for synthetic shares, it doesn't account for dark pool volume, it doesn't account for all these scummy ways, guys, that hedge funds use in order to manipulate the market data, right? To put this into perspective, right, this stock, Pxmd, has 56% short interest with 488% cost to borrow. Let's go to a stock that is more transparent with its data, like Tesla. So remember, 56%, 488% short interest. Tesla. Let's see what Tesla's short interest compared to its cost to borrow is. 3% short interest, not even 1% cost to borrow. Not even 1% cost to borrow. So if the cost to borrow is so high for Pxmd, what does that mean? That means that a lot of people want to borrow these shares. Why do they want to borrow these shares? Because they want to short it. If they want to short it, that means the short interest is high. High means a lot higher than 56%. Allegedly. Okay, don't sue me. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna flash out right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of promotion, giving you guys some free money. Okay, who doesn't like free money? You like free money? Continue watching this video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Team. But guys, before I continue, a quick little message from the Sam from the past, guys. This video is sponsored by Moomoo. Shout out sponsor, guys. Moomoo is one of the best trading platforms out there, guys. And right now, we have an exclusive promotion with Moomoo, where if you use my link down below, you take 5 minutes and you create an account and deposit as little as $1 into the trading platform, guys. Moomoo will give you guys a free stock. The free stock they give you is absolutely luck-based. In fact, guys, last year, we had a lady win a $1,000 stock, guys. Do you know the stock that she won? It was actually Tesla. Look right over here, guys. It shows Tesla stock. Congratulations, you got a free stock Tesla 1,327 SGD. Now, what is the 1,327 SGD to USD? This is $985. This was Tesla before the split. Now, this is extremely unlikely. You're not going to get a Tesla stock. Don't even think that you're going to get a Tesla stock. But let's say your luck isn't even that good, and maybe you get a $50 stock, or even a $20 stock, or a $10 stock, or a $30 stock. Bro, just try out your luck, okay? It takes 5 minutes of time. You deposit $1 and they give you a free stock. So just check them out, guys. They're also an absolutely amazing trading platform. So if you're interested in learning charting platforms and also get access to a lot of data that a lot of other trading platforms charge for, Moomoo is the #1 trading platform for you. So head down below, use my link, try your luck, and let me know what stock you guys get. Thanks for watching. That being said, your boy Sam from Top Trader Team.